Besides the stock market, no other investment has shown to have the longevity and performance like the real estate market. The real estate market is unique due to its limited supply to demand mechanics. It has shown over time to deliver superior returns to investors in the form of equity growth and income. There are multiple ways to make money in the real estate market, such as flipping properties, renting, and even brokering deals for commissions. Most people who get their start in real estate usually start with a single-family home. They buy a property for themselves and turn it into a rental once they upgrade and move to another place. They repeat the process until they have a few properties under their name that earn solid monthly income. Others get into the flipping business during the real estate market booms. A few successful flips can earn you tens of thousands of dollars or even more. However, this requires a sizable capital of tens of thousands as well, since you usually need to renovate rundown properties. And of course, there are higher risk of failure with flipping homes if you go into the business unprepared. So you might be wondering, what if you're a broke ass and can't afford to buy a house to build your portfolio? Let alone have tens of thousands of dollars to start flipping homes. One solution is getting a loan. You can of course get a traditional loan for your first home that only requires a fraction for down payment that is affordable. If you plan to flip homes, the loan terms might be more expensive. However, there are options out there where you can apply for loans from peer-to-peer lending like Prosper or Lendingclub. There is also a loan crowdfunds like Groundfloor that specializes in lending to real estate professionals. But what if you're lazy and you don't wish to do all that work to manage your own real estate portfolio? Well, there is a solution for that called real estate crowdfunds. Real estate crowdfunds are essentially investment companies that manage properties on your behalf. You can invest for as low as few $100s to have access to a portfolio of real estate properties from residential to commercial and industrial buildings. Companies like Fundrise, Streitwise, Upside Avenue and others are examples of such companies where you can invest in. The typical returns of real estate crowdfunds usually range in the 7 to 10% annually, which include dividend payments. This tends to be somewhat lower generally than if you were to manage your own properties. However, the convenience of having a passive investment in real estate along with very low investment minimums are the prime advantages of going the crowdfund investing route. One thing to take note of is that real estate is not a short-term investment strategy. You should plan for 3 to 5 years of holding period. Although some companies will allow you to withdraw your investment early, it will come with early redemption fees. However, you do get the option of receiving the dividends as cash flow if you wish. But reinvesting those dividends back into your portfolio will yield better results long term. Another option to investing in real estate is to invest directly into real estate stocks like Realty Income or Avalon Bay properties. You can even invest in real estate exchange-traded funds from Vanguard or Invesco. However, you need to remember that even though these are real estate investments, they are tied to the equity markets unlike the non-public crowdfunds. So whenever you invest in these real estate stocks or funds, they will follow the market dips and crashes. However, these stocks and funds do grow over time and you can always withdraw money without any issues at any time. Personally, I prefer to invest in non-public real estate crowdfunds since it is a buffer against the equity markets. I believe that investing is about diversification, so it's best to actually invest in different asset classes. However, I personally invest only about 15 to 20% of my portfolio into real estate due to its low liquidity. So what do you think about investing in real estate? Do you manage your own properties or do you outsource it by investing in crowdfunds or the equity markets? Let me know in the comments. As always, if you like the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Later.